Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Zay, bringing you only hustle and gain. And in today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to buy the Saitama Inu coin very easily. And if you haven't figured out a way to do it, definitely check this video out because it's gonna be really simple. So what we're gonna go do first off is we're gonna open up our Cash App actually. And what you're gonna wanna do is go to the Bitcoin tab. And I'm just gonna buy a little bit just to show you guys, but $20. Okay, so you buy your Bitcoin on Cash App, and then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna download an app called Bitmart. And Bitmart is another exchange where you can actually pick up the Saitama Inu coin pretty easily. So, and actually verifying your, you don't even have to do like KYC on this Bitmart exchange, so that's pretty nice. But what you want to gonna do is once you get to the main page on Bitmart, you're gonna go to assets, and then you're gonna want to go to Bitcoin. So on the Bitcoin, what you're gonna want to do is deposit, and then you see this address right here for your Bitcoin Bitmart section. You're gonna copy that and go back to your Cash App, and then so on your Cash App to where you have your Bitcoin, you're gonna click the little send arrow, and then we'll just send $20 worth, and then you just copy and paste it from your Bitmart, press next, and right here you can see how long it could take to get it into your Bitmart account. It did take a little bit for me to actually see the funds post in my Bitmart account. It took probably 30 minutes. So that is something to keep in mind. So if you don't see it right away, don't freak out, you will get it. But basically what you're gonna wanna do is once your Bitcoin posts into your Bitcoin account, you're gonna actually want to sell that. So you will trade that. And I think I don't have anything to sell right now, but you're basically gonna wanna sell, and then you can do a market order sell so you know that your Bitcoin is going to sell right away. And then once it sells, you're going to want to transfer that to your, it'll go to your USDT. And then if you just look up the Saitama Inu coin, you can go to markets. And you can see already I have it in my search history, Saitama Inu. And then you just buy at a market order. However much money you want worth of it. And as you guys can see, I already bought some earlier today, so I have like $33 worth. I think it was 34, but I don't even know how many shares that is. But with all these meme coins that are happening right now, Doge Mars, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Floki Inu, all these different coins, everybody does not want to miss out on the potential bull runs that these meme coins are doing. So Saitama Inu is something I had been hearing about lately, and if you look at the coin market cap on it right now, it's actually been up crazy recently. So if you want to throw an extra $100 or something into the coin, this is not financial advice, but a lot of people don't want to miss out on these. And you look at the 30 days, it's up 817%. 3 months, it's up 7,242%. I had been looking to try to find this coin for a little bit now, and it's not posted on any of the more popular exchanges. So I found this way, and I thought I would share it with you guys. But yeah, guys, that's basically how you buy the Saitama Inu coin on Bitmart while using your Cash App. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and let me guys know how much of the Saitama Inu coin do you currently have, and do you think that this could explode and make some Saitama Inu millionaires? Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.